Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm excited to show you how I created this stunning boho hairstyle for my clients. So please stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Welcome back guys. So let's dive into the video. Before getting started, I make sure to prep everything I needed. I carefully prepared the extensions, arranging them neatly on the braiding rack to save time during the styling process. Prepping the hair extension is such an important step as it ensures a smooth and organized workflow. So the next thing I did was to massage my client's hair. This step is not only relaxing but also improve blood circulation, which promotes healthy hair growth. So once that is done, I applied some gummy braiding gel to make sure the pattern was clean and precise. Neat pattern is the key to achieving a polished look, especially for style as intricate as this. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, and also don't forget to share to your family and friends. You can also follow me at Really Want to Know Be on Facebook and Instagram, also at Rita on TikTok. So guys, about the advert, do not forget to watch my advert to the end, guys. Please watch the advert to the end. Don't skip it. It means a lot for my channel. Thank you. After parting the hair, I divided it into sections to make the braiding process easier. I started the braiding process by gradually adding the extensions to the natural hair, creating a knotless effect for a seamless and natural finish. The goal here was to give the hair a beautiful, effortless flow, which is why I used the coily extensions. These were added step by step throughout the braiding process to give the style its signature boho vibe. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel. I said we got a problem. You're just like all the other one. Kinda guess needs to let the streets feel Once I'm done braiding all the hair, you can see how voluminous, how full this hair is looking. So I went ahead to start spraying this hair with leave-in conditioner mixed with water. This not only softens the hair but also helps to reduce the volume, giving the style a sleek and polished look. As you can see here, the hair is already reduced. It's not looking so bulky again. So this is a tip for you. When a hair is too full like this, like just mix water with leave-in conditioner and then you can reduce the voluminous look. So afterwards, I went ahead to give it some trims. I know you'll be looking at that scissors. Please don't look at it. I know it's not sharp. But I don't know where I kept the other one, so I just decided to use this one. So yeah. Once the ends are trimmed, so I went ahead to pick out some longer braids, the ends of it. I wanted to add a special touch, so I wrapped them in rollers and dipped them in hot water to set the coils. This step gave the hairstyle a beautiful bouncing finish that perfectly complemented the coily extension already in the hair. So guys, to enhance the look of this coils, I applied coiling cream which defined the texture beautifully. I didn't use a mousse in this hair because when you use mousse in the hair, especially when you have a coily hair, it tends to make the coil stiff and hard. So I didn't use it, and I went ahead to use the oil sheen which you saw me using earlier. I use it in her hair to give it some shine and some polished look. And then again, I went in to trim off the remaining excess hair just to give it a flawless finish. And that's it, guys. The boho braid style is complete. I love how the combination of the coils and braid came out together to create such a unique and elegant look. So if you enjoyed this hairstyle, let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.